So this is how you print two ID cards and have them printed top and bottom on the HP Smart Tank 585 printer. We're going to show you how to copy two ID cards and have it printed at the top and the bottom. To copy two ID cards, first lift up the scanner lid. You'll notice that once you lift up the scanner lid, the copy buttons will light up. Place the ID cards with the front of the ID cards facing down. Place it side by side as shown. Next, press on the Copy ID button. The black and white and the color copy buttons will blink. We'll copy the ID cards in color, so we'll press on the color copy button. The front side of the card is being scanned. When you see this blinking scanner icon, we need to flip the card over to scan the back of the ID card. Simply flip the card over. Press on the blinking color copy button. You will scan the back of the ID card and print out the ID cards. So this is the final output. So this is how you print two ID cards and have them printed top and bottom on the HP Smart Tank 585 printer.